Knowledge Nexus.
In today's interconnected world, network security is paramount. Our reliance on digital systems for communication, finance, and critical infrastructure makes them prime targets for cybercriminals. A single breach can have devastating consequences, leading to data theft, financial loss, and reputational damage. Protecting our networks is no longer optional. It is essential for individuals, businesses, and governments alike. We must understand the importance of robust security measures to safeguard our sensitive information and ensure the stability of our digital lives. By prioritizing network security, we can mitigate risks and create a safer online environment for everyone. The increasing sophistication of cyber attacks requires us to adopt a proactive approach to security. We must stay ahead of the curve by implementing robust security measures and staying informed about emerging threats. The consequences of inaction are too great to ignore. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and dangerous. Understanding these threats is crucial for developing effective defense strategies. Common threats include malware, phishing attacks, ransomware, and denial-of-service attacks. Malware, short for malicious software, encompasses a wide range of threats like viruses, worms, and trojans. These malicious programs can infiltrate networks, steal data, and disrupt operations. Phishing attacks use deceptive emails and websites to trick users into revealing sensitive information such as passwords and credit card details. Ransomware encrypts a victim's files and demands a ransom for their release. Denial-of-service attacks overwhelm networks with traffic, rendering websites and online services inaccessible. These attacks can disrupt business operations, cause financial losses, and damage reputation. As technology advances, so do the methods employed by cybercriminals. Staying informed about these evolving threats is crucial for maintaining robust network security. Establishing a strong security foundation is crucial for protecting networks from cyber threats. Fundamental security practices provide a baseline defense against a wide range of attacks. These practices include regular security audits, strong access controls, firewalls, and keeping systems updated. Regular security audits help identify vulnerabilities and assess the effectiveness of existing security measures. Strong access controls, such as strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, limit access to sensitive information and systems. Firewalls act as barriers between networks and the outside world, blocking unauthorized access and malicious traffic. Keeping systems and software updated is crucial for patching vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Software updates often include security enhancements that address newly discovered threats. By implementing these fundamental security practices, organizations can significantly reduce their risk of cyber attacks. Neglecting these fundamental practices leaves networks vulnerable to even basic attacks. Implementing these measures is essential for establishing a strong security posture. While fundamental security practices provide a solid foundation, organizations can further enhance their security posture by implementing advanced security measures. These measures include zero trust architecture, network segmentation, and data encryption. Zero trust architecture operates on the principle of never trust, always verify. It assumes that no user or device can be trusted by default, even within the network perimeter. Network segmentation divides a network into smaller, isolated segments, limiting the impact of a breach. Data encryption protects sensitive information by converting it into an unreadable format, making it useless to unauthorized individuals. These advanced security measures provide an extra layer of protection against sophisticated cyber attacks. By implementing these measures, organizations can significantly reduce their risk of data breaches and other security incidents. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, organizations must adopt advanced security measures to stay ahead of the curve. These measures provide a higher level of protection, safeguarding sensitive data and critical systems. Section 5. Recent developments in network security. The field of network security is constantly evolving, with new technologies and initiatives emerging to address the ever-changing threat landscape. Recent developments include T-Mobile's cybersecurity investments, White House initiatives, and new Wi-Fi security standards like WPA3. T-Mobile, a major telecommunications company, has made significant investments in cybersecurity to enhance its network security and protect customer data. These investments include advanced threat detection systems, data encryption, and employee training programs. The White House has also taken an active role in promoting cybersecurity, issuing executive orders and guidelines to strengthen national cybersecurity posture. The introduction of WPA3, the latest Wi-Fi security standard, provides enhanced protection against hacking and data theft. WPA3 offers stronger encryption and improved authentication mechanisms, making it more difficult for attackers to compromise Wi-Fi networks. These recent developments demonstrate the ongoing efforts to improve network security. Staying informed about these developments is crucial for organizations to adapt their security strategies and adopt new technologies. Section 6. The future of network security. Trends and predictions. The future of network security will be shaped by emerging technologies and evolving threat landscapes. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will play increasingly important roles in threat detection and prevention. AI-powered security systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and detect anomalies that may indicate an attack. Cloud computing will continue to transform network security, offering both opportunities and challenges. While cloud-based security solutions can provide scalability and flexibility, they also introduce new vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. The rise of the Internet of Things also presents significant security challenges. With billions of connected devices, securing the IoT ecosystem is paramount to prevent large-scale attacks. As technology continues to advance, network security professionals must stay ahead of the curve by anticipating future trends and adapting their strategies accordingly. Section 7. The role of individuals in maintaining network security. While organizations bear the primary responsibility for network security, individuals also play a crucial role in maintaining a secure online environment. By practicing good cyber hygiene, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of becoming victims of cyber attacks. Individuals should create strong, unique passwords for all their online accounts and enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible. They should be wary of phishing emails and avoid clicking on links or opening attachments from unknown senders. Keeping software and operating systems up to date is crucial for patching vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Individuals should also be mindful of their online behavior and avoid sharing sensitive information on unsecured websites or social media platforms. By following these simple steps, individuals can contribute to a safer online environment for themselves and others. Network security is a shared responsibility. By working together, organizations and individuals can create a more secure digital world. Section 8. Conclusion. A call to action for a secure digital future. In conclusion, network security is paramount in today's interconnected world. From fundamental practices like strong passwords and firewalls to advanced measures like zero-trust architecture and AI-powered threat detection, a multi-layered approach is crucial. Staying informed about evolving threats, recent developments, and future trends is essential for maintaining robust security. As we become increasingly reliant on digital systems, it is our collective responsibility to prioritize network security. By embracing best practices, investing in robust solutions, and fostering a culture of security awareness, we can create a safer and more secure digital future for all. Let us all do our part to protect our networks, our data, and our digital lives.